Good morning guys and welcome to Vlogmas day 11. Today is December 10th and I'm doing something exciting today. I'm just getting ready to go home to my mom's place in the Austrian Alps, so I hope I can show you a bit of the scenery. The weather's not that great honestly, but we'll still make it happen, right? And I'm gonna help my mom bake some Christmas cookies, I promised her. So I'm excited for that. I hope I can try some of the cookies because they usually turn out pretty well. And now I just need to go to my room and finish packing everything up. Sorry about the lighting. It's dark, I didn't turn the lights on. So I'm just like, I'm bringing my laptop, so I'm just packing that because I need to edit tonight's vlog at my mom's place. I didn't have time to edit it yesterday because I was actually at a friend's place, so I got home at like 9 p.m. and afterwards I didn't feel like doing any work on a computer because I was tired. So yeah, I had a great night's sleep. I'm all packed up, I think. I'm gonna take my winter coat because it's really cold. It's probably around 0 degrees centigrade outside, which is in the 30s in Fahrenheit. And that's it for today. I think I still have to edit this vlog tonight as well because I'm flying tomorrow, so I'm working a trip to Hong Kong and I want you guys to have a video for as many days as I can possibly do for Vlogmas. So yeah, let's go to my mom's place. I almost forgot my advent calendar, so here's day 10. You guys are really good at guessing what's inside or what these chocolates actually are supposed to be. Sometimes they're hard to guess, and this is hard to get out. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I think I know what this is, so I'm just thinking of the German name. It's called Vierklee in German. In English, four-leaved clover, right? Is it? So that's the first I know what it is. I just got home. The roads were pretty bad, so they were fine until St. Johann, which is about 20 minutes away from where my mom lives. And then there was snow everywhere, and I mean, I'm pretty good with driving in snow, so it didn't really bother me. But the people in front of me, I feel like they have never seen snow before in their lives. At least that's how they were driving. I was like, really? Like, well, and then there were 2 trucks that got stuck, so kind of had to go around them, and I saw that the police and the fire brigade were going there, so wasn't too great for them, I guess. They were sort of like stuck when they had to go up a hill, and there was like a bridge that was going up that hill, and yeah, so the roads were bad. There's snow here, white snow, as you probably saw in the video. And yeah, let's go help my mom and let's bake some Christmas cookies. We just had lunch and we're about to start baking right now. We're baking right now. My mom gave me an apron, so I have my cooking outfit. I just crushed those nuts right here. And those are the skins of walnuts. I took all the nuts out of them. These cookies are done. They're called Ishla cookies. There are some more in here. And mom told me that I can put her on the vlog. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
We're done with baking. They just have to go into the oven. And then how many cookies did we bake today? 100?
Yes, I think
100.
100 pieces. Yes.
They're vanilla. Let's call them vanilla moons. I'm gonna go visit my grandparents now because we're done baking. I'm now back at my place in Salzburg. So today was fun. I spent a lot of time with my mom and then with my grandparents. And my granny gave me some more St. Nicholas Day candy. Let me see if I can open my backpack up with like one hand. Yeah, I think so. So my granny gave me, where is it? My granny had some more of these. It's like Krampus and St. Nicholas chocolate bars, but it's not a lot of chocolate since I'm not a huge chocolate fan. There's like banana inside. So they mainly taste like banana covered in a bit of chocolate. And then she gave me something else. It's like cookies. Just like plain cookies. They're kind of like crackers, like sweet crackers with a tiny bit of chocolate as well. And now I just need to edit tonight's vlog. I really wanted to do that earlier because now it's 8 p.m. already. But honestly, I didn't have time earlier, so I've been so busy. But anyways, it'll be up tonight. So close to midnight probably. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the scenery of my hometown. I hope you enjoyed the scenery of the drive. I hope you enjoyed me baking Christmas cookies together with my mom, and she agreed to be in the vlog, which is awesome, right? Because I'm really surprised that she agreed to be in the vlog. Usually she doesn't want to be on camera, but today she was like, yeah, sure, which is nice. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. In case you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, and also make sure that you hit that bell icon below, because otherwise YouTube is not going to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.